Good morning, students. Let's we do the third question on PPI, that is known as a profit prior to incorporation. So first we will discuss the question. After that we will do the working note. After that we will do the solution of the question. So let's see the first question says. Bhagyashree Private Limited was incorporated on 1st August 2019. That is called DOI. The company agreed to take over the business of Messrs. Deepika and Company as going concern. Effective from 1st April 2019. The agreement also provided that vendors are entitled to 60% of profit and loss account, if any, for the period of up to 1st August 2019. That means up to DOI. If you are earning the profit, 60% go to the vendor. Vendor means what? Seller. The following information was available from the books of accounts which are closed on 31st March 2020. अपना क्लोजिंग कभी होगा 31st मार्च, तो ओपनिंग कभी होगा 1st April. So this is a question. So to stock 30,000, to material consumed 1,20,000, to wages 30,000, to factory expenses 42,000, to gross profit 1,20,000, and total we got 3,42,000. Buy sales 3 lakhs, buy stock 42,000. After that we have two salaries 30,000, two rent 9,000, two office expenses 6,000, two salesman commission 15,000, two bad debts 5,000, two director fees 8,000, two depreciation 18,000, debenture interest 8,000, interest to vendor 6,000, to net profit 35,000, and total we have 1,40,000, and that profit on loss on sale of investment 20,000, and total 1,40,000. After that we have adjustment. So prepare statement of profit and loss account अपने को बनाना है. Additional information. First, monthly sales from October 2019 to March 2020 is 150% of monthly sales for April 2019. We will do special working note on sales ratio. Bad debts in respect of the sales effective 2 years ago. 2 साल का पहले bad debts है. Consideration to vendor was paid on 1st August 2019. हम लोग ने जो भी पैसा है 1st August 2019 को vendor को दे दिया. Rent was increased from 500 per month to 1,000 per month effective from 1st October 2019. We will do special working note for rent. Investment was sold on 1st November 2019. Okay, this is question. Let's we do the solution one by one. First we will find out time ratio. Now we know that our year ending how much? 31st March 2020. So first we will write the end date. Second we will write the first date, 1st April 2019, because we know when is year ending 31st March starting with the April, and in which we will write the DOI, that is called date of incorporation, 1st August 2019, which is given in the question. So we will prepare pre, we will prepare the post. So pre में कितना महीना आ रहा है? April, May, June, July, 4 months. Because 1st August we got the DOI, and August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months? 8 months. So 4:8 is a time ratio. We come to shortcut 1:2. So all fixed expenses we always divide in time ratio. So time ratio is very, very important in this case. So this is working note for time ratio. Come to the second point, sales ratio. Now with the given information, we will prepare the April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. Now what happened? They says that, so April 100, we assume 100, April 100, May 100, June 100, July 100, August 100, September 100, October 100. From November it's become 150. So November से क्या किया? 150, 150, 150 and 150 and 150. So pre-period, pre में कितना महीना है? 4. Because date of incorporation we got 1st August. So April, May, June, July. April, May, June, July, कितना 400. And after that August, September, अक्टूबर, नवंबर से डबल हुआ, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च कितना हुआ 1100. सो वी गॉट 400 is to 1100, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 4 is to 11. So in this way we find out the sales ratio with the help of the adjustment. Sales ratio is very important to divide the all expenses which are related to the sales. Let's do the third working note, interest to vendor. 6,000 given in the adjustment. So what you have done? April 1,000, May 1,000, June 1,000, July 1,000, August 1,000, September 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 months का था. So 6,000 divided by 6. 6,000 divided by 6, we got 1,000. So 1,000 April, May, June, July, August, September and October. October से August से अपने को मिला DOI. So prepaid 4 months 4,000. April, May, June, July. August में अपने को DOI मिला. So 4,000, 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000, 4,000. And post period कितना है 2,000. So 1 and 2. So 4,000 is to 2,000. 6 months के लिए this is 6,000 divided by 6, 1,000 per month. So in this way we have done the pre and post. Pre में कितना मिला 4,000 and post में कितना मिला 2,000. So this is working note on interest to vendor. After that rent. So rent with the help of the adjustment. April में कितना 5, May में कितना 5, June में 5 is 500. April, May, June, July 500. August 500. September 500. October सब क्या हुआ 1,000 हुआ. Given in the adjustment. So October 1,000, November 1,000, December 1,000, January 1,000, February 1,000 and March 1,000. So pre period में कितना 4 महीना है. So April, May, June, July. So total कितना 2,000. After that post period 500 plus 500. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 7,000. So ratio we got 2,000 is to 7,000. So 2 is to 7. So in this way we find out the rent ratio. So all these are very important working note. Let's read the format. So particular, total, basis, pre and post. वो हेडिंग में लिखना है स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. सो इनकम ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट गिवन टू अस 1,20,000. दैट इज योर सेल्स रेशियो. सेल्स रेशियो कितना है 4:11. सो वी गॉट प्री में कितना 32,000 एंड पोस्ट में कितना 88,000. 1,20,000 डिवाइड बाई 50 into 4 and post 1,20,000 divided by 50 into 11, 88,000. After that profit on sale of investment given to us 20,000. So that always 20,000 will come post because ये कहाँ पे बेचा है. See adjustment they are given. We sell the investment. Investment was sold on 1st November and अपने को DOI का भी मिला अगस्त. So August, September, October, November. So November come in post period. So उसको भी कहाँ पे बांटा है पोस्ट में बांटा है. सॉरी पोस्ट में लिखा है. So that will come in the post. Okay. A total 1,40,000, 32,000 and 1,08,000. Now we will take all expenses. So first salaries. Always divided on time ratio. And time ratio how much we got? 1:2. So 30,000 divided in the ratio of 1:2. So 10,000, 20,000. Rent 9,000. We have done special working note. So pre में कितना मिला 2,000 and post में कितना मिला 7,000. Office expenses always divided time ratio and we know time ratio 1:2. So 6,000. So pre में कितना मिला 2,000, post में कितना मिला 4,000. Sales commission 15,000 always divided on sales ratio 4:11. So 4,000 pre and post में कितना 11,000. After that BD bad debts 5,000. Okay. So BD last 2 years का तो we always taken full in pre. So 5,000 pre में लिया, post में nil. Director fees always write in post. So 8,000 post, pre में nil, post में 8,000. Depreciation always divided time ratio. So 18,000 divided on time ratio. So we got 6,000 and 12,000. That is 1:2. Debenture interest 8,000 पोस्ट, पूरा पोस्ट में आ गया. Interest to vendor 6,000. We have done special working note 4,000 and 2,000. Total expenses we got. सब expenses का total 1,05,000. Pre का total कितना मिला 33,000. Post का total कितना मिला 72,000. After that we'll do. Okay. Income minus expenses. जितना भी income है उसको expenses minus कितना मिला -1,000 and 72,000 कितना मिला माइनस का 36,000. So रेशियो ऑफ प्री प्रॉफिट 40:60. तो ये जो गुडविल है उसका 40% विल टेक एंड 60% गो टू द वेंडर. सो 1,000 का 40% 400 एंड दैट विल ट्रांसफर टू गुडविल बिकॉज वी पे मोर. नाउ नोट प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन लॉस ऑफ 1,000 विल बी ट्रांसफर टू गुडविल 40% दैट 400 एंड वेंडर 60% 600. नेट प्रॉफिट फॉर पोस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेशन period will be transferred to profit and loss account because that is our normal profit on which we have to pay the tax. So this is a solution of this question. This is a very important question. Practice this and all the best for your exam.